I am not an African because I was born in Africa, but I am an African because Africa was born inside me. These are the words of Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Beloved, I welcome you once again to Sparkon Travel Vlogs. Today is an exceptionally special day as we are going to embark on an exclusive tour of the newly redeveloped Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum. So guys, you are going to be marveled to see the newly development that has been undergone inside the place. So without wasting much time, stay tuned and then let's get inside and then let's explore the newly redevelopment. Also, thank you so much for coming along with me throughout this journey, and I appreciate your love and support. Also, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button and then let's get more following. If there are more to improve the quality of this video that you might think or you want to suggest, kindly leave it at the comment section and we promise to do justice to that. So kindly stay tuned. Let's get
educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess the ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Stand up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
So right now I'm at the entrance and that is the reception. So far I'm impressed with what I'm seeing. So guys, let's go to the reception and then find out more.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Behind me is Osagyefo Dr. the presidential palace. It looks very good, and then I'm seeing these pictures, beautiful African artworks around the walls, and then also being the founder of Pan-Africanism, we have all the African flags displayed on the walls. So it's a beautiful place, and then that is the ticket area where we can get our ticket, and then we have beautiful photos of Osagyefo and some special gatherings. So we'll go over there and then have a look at it. So over there is a gift shop where we can experience the museum. So and then also there is a briefing room area over there where we will go and then we brief about the history of this place. So you need to get to the ticket area, get a ticket, and then you can enter the other side of the park. So it's a beautiful place right here at the Kwame Nkrumah. so we've checked inside, and then we are about to go to the museum and the mausoleum. So what actually goes inside at the ticket area is after you make your payment. After you make a payment, you are being given a card and a receipt. So this is the receipt displaying the amount paid. So they have a specific price for tertiary students and then adults and children also. The same applies to non-Ghanaians. So after doing the payment, I was given a card that I need to check in before getting access to this place. So without the card, you can't have access to the park and then the mausoleum. So now we are done. So that was the receipt. So we are about to go to the fountain side, the mausoleum, and then we explore around so far the changes that has been gone over here. So let's keep exploring. Okay guys, so far I can see a restaurant. There's a restaurant over here where we can get different varieties of Ghanaian dishes and then assorted drinks. So now we are going to the fountain area. I'm seeing the fountain is closed there. First day that we came to, because the place was under renovation, so the fountain was not operating. So now I can see the fountain is closed. So let's just go there and explore more. Carving over here. This is Valencia Sambida with unforgettable teenage and very beautiful. No, well, that is the view of life. The view of life is always displayed here, and then there's another view of life over here. This one, it has some kind of fruit. It's very fruit already. Okay, so I don't know if it's edible or not, but it's my first time doing this. Okay, so over there is the mausoleum where the mortal remains or the burial grave of Osadefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is being displayed. And then before you get to the mausoleum, we have a water fountain over here. And then in the fountain, we have drummers drumming and then horn blowers announcing the triumphant entry to the burial place of Osadefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And so in the Ghanaian culture, drumming and then horn blowing and singing are a symbol of merrymaking. So it is giving us an exciting moment of me going to see where the finally Osadefo is resting. So under it is like a truncated tree, which is a symbol of Osadefo resting under a shade. Right, so there is another that Osadefo never dies. So Osadefo, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, we believe he is resting under the truncated tree, which also symbolizes a sword turned upside down, denoting peace. So in Ghana, we all live, though we have different kinds of ethnic groups in Ghana, but yet so we live peacefully among ourselves without quarrel amongst ourselves. So guys, let's go inside and then let's explore more. So far I'm impressed with what I'm seeing at the Accra of Japan's Mausoleum. I forgot something. Water is life. So, in as much as we come here, we are giving life to Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Yo, isn't it amazing? Let's go. Guys, so we are being entertained with our soothing African or Ghanaian music, very soothing and melodious. So your tour at the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum will not be a waste one. It will be a memorable one that you can never forget of, because you are being entertained with music, local Ghanaian music. So over there, in the exact spot of Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah declared Ghana's independence. So let's go there, and then right behind it is where Osagyefo is resting. So let's keep exploring. Don't forget to hit that subscription button, and then let's increase more following. Is there something that I'm missing out, or something that you want to know? Leave it at the comment section, and then I promise to answer you. There are a lot of people with their family exploring them. You're gonna see a lot of things here, so it's because it's weekend and most of the people are spending time with their family. So however, we're still exploring the place. This is beautiful, man. So I love what I'm seeing so far. So let's Alright, so finally we are in the Mausoleum. So this is where Kwame Nkrumah, the wife of the late president, also being buried. And then on our right also is exactly so he believes the Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is not dead, but he's resting under which in our culture, when the farmer goes to farm and he's tired, he finds a truncated tree which provides shade. So Osagyefo, we believe is resting under this marble building which is serving as a shade to Osagyefo. his clothes, his language, and a whole lot. So from here we are going inside the museum and then find out more. This very garden is the museum where unforgettable Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's personal items are being kept. The garden has some kind of artwork which looks like Egyptian artwork, but they are not. They are Ghanaian artwork. I can see a man holding a staff which is a symbol of power, horn blowers, and then we have two people holding a staff with a bird, a flamingo bird, the head tilted backwards. It's a symbol for Sankofa, meaning that we always have to reconnect with our past or always going back to the past. And so we have a lot of diverse cultures in Ghana. So those artworks on the wall are denoting or representing the various customs and cultures that we have in Ghana. So guys, let's still get inside and explore more. I'm sorry, so they are saying no pictures and videos allowed in the museum. So however, we still manage ourselves in the place, but I don't know if they're gonna permit us to take videos. So let's come along. So that was quick inside the museum. Come on. So guys, this picture is a head which is made of bronze of unforgettable Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. After the coup, they vandalized the statue that was being placed in front of the Parliament House. So this is the final remains of the statue. And then that is the body over there. We have parts broken apart. I don't know what happens in there, but however, they are still going to go inside and then find out There's another museum on the right side, the left side, so we used that route and we came up to this place. Inside the room there was no videos and pictures allowed in there, but there was videos and then special write-ups made by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. So inside there you will hear voices of the first president of Ghana and then some of the speeches that he made. So we are still exploring the Kwame. Okay guys, so it has been an inspiring and lovely day at the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, and so far there has been a lot of changes and creation. We've added a lot to the facility because in our first video when we came to shoot there were one or two staffs that were here, but at the moment they displayed a lot more and I'm impressed. So over there is an amusement park where you can have a quiet time, you can have meditation. Along there are trees around, so in case you come around and you might love to explore something Ghanaian in terms of delicacies or gastronomy, there are a lot of around to taste that kind of Ghanaian vibes. So I think there's one more place that we need to explore, then we move. So let's go to the other building over there. That's the VIP section. So let's explore that side and let's wrap up for the day. I hope you remember in our previous one of our videos we made about the Dinkra symbols. The Dinkra symbols are the Asian Ghanaian symbols that are very philosophical, and so some of them are the ones displayed on the walls of the museum. We have the flamingo bird with the hair tilted backwards, which symbolizes Sankofa. We have the Jinyame. We have a lot more over here. Jinyame meaning except God, and a lot more. Sankofa, which is going back to our roots. That is a popular one that everybody is abreast with. And so that is the VIP section. So in a case of special dignitaries coming to the place, we have a beautiful land over there for them where they can, have their privacy and security ensured. And so that is the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. So let's keep exploring the park.
Educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Stand up for the hall of shame.
Over here we have beautiful portrait pictures of unforgettable Dr. Kwame Nkrumah displayed on the wall. And so I think we are done for the day, and over there there's an event coming to happen here. So that brings us to the end of our day at the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Thanks so much for staying tuned to watch our video. Thanks so much for your support. We appreciate this, your love and kind gesture. Please, what I want you to do for me is hit that subscription button if it's your first time, and for those of you staying in touch always, kindly share this video to reach a larger audience, and then let's grow our community. Thank you so much. I'm out. Bye bye.